Hi, I'm Rob with Friendly PC. We are focusing more on businesses and providing the most premier IT support in Omaha and surrounding areas. Bringing new services into the plans to give businesses more options to help budget and grow their company. It all starts with the proper tools and the knowledge to securely support your business needs. What are managed IT services? Managed IT services is a proactive approach to keep your computers, servers, and networks up to date with the proper security and assure they are running efficiently, which allows you to stay focused on your clients. Our service plans include on-site repair, remote support, software support, and having a team of IT professionals mitigate the risks of cyber attacks by continually monitoring your network security. One benefit about managed IT services is that it's just not one employee, it's a whole team with diverse backgrounds and skills, and that empowers us to be experts in a variety of services, no blind spots or days when you're not covered. Having no backup solution or an outdated backup solution is not an option when it comes to staying up and online. A backup restore plan will help your company with productivity and client satisfaction. Friendly PC has been in the field since 2002 and is trusted by many local businesses who we've had the privilege of working with and building relationships within the community. Our monthly business support plans are customized to each client and will ensure you are taken care of by a dedicated team. Give us a call today at 402-965-3300 or email me at rob@friendlypcomaha.com.